Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Lives to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread in my Hemlock and Oak, where I used some of my own buffalo plaid stickers, Allie's buffalo plaid washi, and her Christmas trees, and a whole bunch of Coffee Monsters emojis along with Let's Planet emojis, and I absolutely love that. Moving on to this week, December 13th through 19th, I'll be using the holiday bouquets and the poinsettias from According to Allie, some washi from Simply Gilded, and of course emojis. Let's get started. My kids are currently working on some Christmas paintings upstairs, of course supervised by my husband. But how do I want to do this? So I don't have a ton of this washi, but at the same time, I mean, washi is meant to be used, not hoarded. Some of you might disagree with me. That's okay. I do, oh, see, I don't mind covering up the dates, or do I? Okay, so we won't cover them up completely. Let's get my ruler and cut it off right here. So I'll do green on that side, and then maybe red on this side, so that I at least have both. And I was seriously going to get myself some Christmassy washi from Simply Gilded, but I wouldn't have ordered it in time to decorate my spreads, but also it's nice to just have samples actually sometimes, because then, you know, you then won't have all of this washi in the end that you may or may not use in the end. And I like having the different options, really. I like washi samples, and actually I really appreciated that this particular seller is located in Edmonton, so these arrived pretty quickly. Oh, look at that combination. Love it. And I got back into washi really this year. I was not, for like the last few years, blah, not using washi. Not sure why. I think I saw so many people using so much washi that it turned me off from using it, because I just saw people with tons and tons of washi in their collection, and I just couldn't really fathom that much washi. You know, that I'm back into it, I'm like, oh, I need a washi to match this. Oh boy. So I'm just trying to use up what I have of these beautiful poinsettia stickers. Like, Allie's artwork is goals. I don't think I will ever have artwork as pretty as Allie's. Okay, I'm gonna put down, actually I'm gonna save these as I do, and I'm gonna put down, if I can peel that up, one more, because these are going to go into my horizontal. And what is happening next week? I'm gonna put one more down here. Yeah, Friday and Saturday is normally okay for it to go down with a little bit of the green. I'm gonna use the green. If I can find the end to it. Where'd that go? Oh my gosh, where did that go? Oh, there. Oh boy. There we go. So just add a little bit of green. Oh, I love that already. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then start filling in the sidebar, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest. I normally do this part as a voiceover, just because if I try to chat and do it, I feel like it would take me forever. But also I feel like I would make a lot more mistakes doing that. So this is why I always speed through this and do it as a voiceover. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So the first thing I'm going to work on is the sidebar, and this is where I keep track of my sleep score and
the hours I sleep and my workouts. So I use the Tombow dual brush pen and then put the Coffee Monsters Co. icon with the lettering of sleep, and then I draw in the graph for the hours and the days. And I get my sleep score and the amount of hours I sleep from my Fitbit. And then below that, I'm trying to figure out what the best workout sticker is. And I choose one of these cute Coffee Monsters Co. ones, and I brush letter in workout and then write in the workouts that I have scheduled. And the pen that I am using this week is the Sailor Pro Gear Slim, and it actually has Diatramentis Document Black in there. I'm trying to find the best black that will work on different papers. So then I go in to each day and draw in the lines for my work shifts. I do have a 4-day week this week. I say 4-day, but I do have to go in for 2 coachings on Friday because I couldn't reschedule them for other days in the week. And then once I've drawn in the lines, I go in with a Tombow dual brush pen and then highlight basically where I'm going to write the word work, and then write that in with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. And then I choose some really cute Coffee Monsters Co. emojis for work. And these ones are actually the fall ones, but the colors match really well, so I didn't mind too much. And then going back in, I forgot that Henry had a dentist appointment on Thursday, so I have to white out and change Thursday's work, or where work was, white out the original one that I wrote, and then put a green quarter box where Henry has a dentist appointment. You know, I had a post-it to remind me, and then I still forgot. And I don't have a dentist appointment sticker, so I just use these cute Christmas emoji stickers. And then I go in with a red and a green Tombow dual brush pen and just draw these dots on each day. And then with the Tombow Fudenosuke pen, brush letter in that I have to pick up the kids at those times. And because this is the week before Christmas break, their early dismissal and the regular day are, so Friday and Thursday are switched. So really need to write that down and remember that. And then once I've got that in, then I start working on or writing down my to-do list for each day. I take this to-do script sticker from my shop and then write in that I have to meal plan and order groceries on Monday. And the way that I'm using the Tombow dual brush pens as well are kind of like keys as well. I want to explain that in a different video here. And then I take this cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji for garbage and brush letter that in with the Tombow Fudenosuke. And then moving on to Friday. Friday's normally my filming day, so I take a bigger, is that a quarter, third, half box, along with the YouTube emoji and write down which videos I'm going to film on Friday afternoon. And then Saturday, because the kids don't actually have activities this coming Saturday and we do have plans on Sunday, we're going to make Saturday our cleaning day. So I take a cleaning ninja sticker along with one of my cleaning script stickers and then write down the list of cleaning that we have to do. I really like the look of the Tombow dual brush pen as dots. It adds color, but it's also very functional. And then I have to remember that I have to write one in for laundry because, you know, Saturday is always laundry. And then for Sunday, I take a laundry sticker and remind myself that I have to do bed linens on the Sunday. Now I write in laundry. Anyway, so I take a quarter box sticker for later on that day to remind myself that it is my team Zoom happy hour. It's our little Christmas Zoom happy hour. And yes, I do work remotely, and the rest of my team work all over the US, so it has to be remote. And then on Sunday, I write down that we're going to church to celebrate my parents' 40th wedding anniversary. And I highlight that with a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji from her Christmas errands one. I don't have a church emoji because I haven't actually been going to church since COVID, just due to restrictions. And then I take a Christmas sweater emoji and write down that we're all going for lunch at Pampa's on Sunday to further celebrate my parents' wedding anniversary. 40 years, that's awesome. And then going back to Thursday, I take the red Tombow and then the cute grocery emoji, and then write in that we have to pick up groceries. And I write in S&C BLD for my meals and steps.
All right, so that is my overall finished spread, and I love how festive it looks. I really, really do love how festive it looks, and there's a lot coming up this week. It is my kids' last week in school. My parents' anniversaries on the weekend, so there's a lot to look forward to this week. And I'm hoping this week to kind of use a combination of the Diamine Red Dragon that's in here, possibly the Inaho from Pilot Iroshizuku is in here, but I'll definitely use this for journaling, but we'll see. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.